Hello and welcome back once again. Today we are going to be making plantain chips. This is a perfect snack that you can give to your children because it's all natural, made with plantain, which is very healthy. It is a snack you can put in their lunch box. You can give to them anytime they want. It definitely beats giving them sugared snacks and all those unhealthy things that we normally buy for them. So sit back and enjoy while I make this simple snack. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so. Click the subscribe button below and then click the notification button to get notified whenever I post new videos. So I'm going to be using unripe plantain, which is just about going to ripen. So it's still hard and not soft. When you use this type of plantain, it makes it crunchy when you fry it, and you don't need to fry it for too long to get it that crunchy. So I'm cutting out the back now, just peeling off the back. Once I'm done, I'm going to use my knife to cut it. I'm using my sharp knife today to cut it into very thin slices. If you have got a mandolin slicer, that's good, but I prefer using my knife here so that anyone can easily do this without feeling that you need a gadget to cut your plantain chips. All you need to do is to make sure that you cut it into thin strips and you make sure that your knife is sharp, and that's it here. My chips are all cut and ready to be fried. So I'm going to add a little bit of salt now. Adding salt makes it more flavorsome, and that's all you need for plantain chips, just the salt if you want it this way. I have a version that I made with dates sugar. If you want the sweet version without adding some sugar, you can use date sugar to make your plantain chips too. I have my oil on fire, which is perfectly hot now, so I'm putting my plantain chips. Make sure you add a little at a time so that the plantain doesn't start soaking oil when you're frying it. So the quantity you put shouldn't be much more than the oil or too much for the oil that you have. And also remember, plantain chips requires deep frying. So I'm going to be separating them a bit using my spoon to just separate them so that they can fry very well. Also keep stirring at intervals to ensure that all of them are evenly fried at the same time. So I'm just using my frying spoon to just turn it around, and then I'm allowing it to fry until they are like golden brown, all perfectly looking very well fried. Some plantain species are generally not golden brown when you fry them, especially for people that are living abroad. So I'm scooping this out now, and then I'm going to fry the next batch. And while we are frying this next batch, please don't forget to like my video. Please click the like button below. Also share with your friends, other moms, and every other person that will enjoy Mommy's Yum. Also subscribe if you haven't done so too. Click the notification button to get notified whenever I post new videos. And it's all ready now to be enjoyed. I hope your kids will enjoy eating these plantain chips. They can enjoy it in any way they like. My daughter actually liked hers with some ice cream. She just taught us a new way to eat plantain chips, scooping it with ice cream, and it was lovely.